As one of the most advanced fighter jets of our time, the F-35 Lightning II has captured the world's attention. But beyond its remarkable capabilities lies a puzzling question. Why is the F-35 so expensive? In this video, we will delve into the intricacies of the F-35 program and uncover the factors that contribute to its substantial price tag. From cutting-edge technology to global collaborations, we will explore the key reasons behind the high operating costs of this extraordinary aircraft. So fasten your seatbelts and join us on this captivating journey as we unravel the mysteries surrounding the F-35's expenses. Advanced technology. The F-35 is equipped with cutting-edge technology, including stealth capabilities, advanced sensors, and state-of-the-art avionics. These features provide unparalleled advantages in combat, but come at a significant cost. The development and integration of such advanced systems require substantial research, engineering, and testing resources, all of which add to the overall expenses. Development and production. Developing a complex aircraft like the F-35 involves years of research, design, and testing. The process requires a significant investment in human resources, infrastructure, and materials. Additionally, the production scale of the F-35 program is immense, with hundreds of aircraft being manufactured to meet the demands of various nations. The costs associated with setting up and maintaining production facilities, ensuring quality control, and managing the supply chain all contribute to the high operating expenses. Global collaboration. The F-35 program is an international collaboration, with multiple countries partnering to develop and acquire the aircraft. While this collaboration allows for cost sharing and sharing of technological expertise, it also introduces complexities in terms of coordination, communication, and standardization. The need to align the requirements of different nations, integrate various components from different suppliers, and maintain interoperability can escalate the overall expenses. Maintenance and sustainment. Operating and maintaining a fleet of F-35 aircraft demands significant investments in training, infrastructure, and logistics. The F-35 is a highly sophisticated machine, requiring specialized technicians and advanced support systems to keep it operational. The costs associated with regular maintenance, repairs, spare parts, and upgrades contribute substantially to the overall expenses of operating the F-35. Software and upgrades. The F-35 relies heavily on software systems to control its advanced capability and ensure mission success. The development, integration, and ongoing updates of these software systems require significant resources. Additionally, incorporating new technology, addressing vulnerability, and keeping up with evolving threats necessitate regular software upgrades, further driving up the operating costs. Lifecycle costs. The lifecycle costs of the F-35, including acquisition, operations, maintenance, and eventual retirement, are substantial. The program's long-term sustainment and the need for continuous improvements to meet evolving requirements contribute to the overall expenses over the aircraft. Conclusion. While these costs may seem exorbitant, they are necessary to maintain the F-35's position as a formidable fighter jet, ensuring the safety and security of nations that operate. Thanks for watching our video. For more documentaries about the Air Force and military, consider subscribing to our channel.